Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a portable jump starter with built-in LED flashlight. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we have a portable jump starter from the company FOXPEED. And this jump starter is really practical, especially when your battery for your for your cars or for your bicycles drains out. And you can use this to quickly jump start your car and get back on the road. And this portable jump starter also serves as a portable battery that you can easily take on the go to charge up your devices that you may have, such as phones and tablets. It also has a built-in LED flashlight that you can utilize in scenarios where you need some more additional lighting to see what's going on or whatever you're doing. So there's a lot of practical uses for this portable jump starter. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this jump starter, make sure you go down below and leave a comment. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you go down below and slide your body into the like section, as that just greatly informs me and keeps me updated if you're enjoying this tech series. And then also, if you actually want to get more information about this portable jump starter, product information and details will be down below in the description for those who are interested in getting more information about this jump starter, over for all the product specifications, details, and also the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this portable jump starter. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. As you guys can see, there's a lot of specifications and details on the box itself that will give you guys a lot more details about, all the specifications that this jump starter has to offer. But we're gonna move this over to a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. So on the front of the box, it just says FOXPEED, which is the company's name, and it's a jump starter and power pack. No more tow service, jump start and go. And then on this side, there's a few, different uses that you can actually apply with this jump starter. And on the back side, there is a list of specifications and details you guys can take a look at, especially if you're interested in some of the more heavy-duty specifications about this jump starter. You can take a pause and look at that. And then on here, you can actually see how to actually, get this jump starter up and running and how to use it. So they gave you like a step-by-step guide that you can follow easily. So what I'm just gonna do is actually open up this flap, pull back, and now you open up this top compartment, pull the box apart, and now we can actually pull out the jump starter case. You guys can see it just says FOXPEED on top of the case. And what I'm gonna do is actually open up this case. We have all the different accessories laid out, and we actually have the main jump starter in this side of the compartment. Right here, we actually have our jump starter cables that we need to use if we want to use the jump starting capability of this jump starter. So this is what you need to use to actually connect the positive and the negative side of your battery in order to supply it with a charge. And we also got a cigarette lighter that we can actually use to charge up this jump starter. So right here, we actually have how to start your jump starter kind of guide that you can easily follow through. And I like that they actually implemented this into the case so that you can always have it whenever you need to use this jump starter. And it tells you step by step how to actually get this jump starter up and running. The user manual does come with a lot of useful information. That'll give you a lot more details on how to set up this product, all the specifications and also all the details and parameters it has to offer and package contents. Let me actually take out the jump starter itself now. It's a really, really heavy duty jump starter, but overall, it's a pretty solid built, jump starter. You guys can see it's really nicely crafted. It's really solid. And yeah, overall, I love the rugged design. So it's really gonna be well protected for years to come. And you guys can see on the front side, or on the top side, I should say, we have a digital screen and we also have a power button, which I'll show you guys in the demo part of the video. On this side, we actually have our in, which is for a USB-C cable that we can utilize to give power to this portable jump starter, or we can use the DC output, which was this cigarette lighter that we can use to actually supply this power as well. And then right here, you guys can see we actually have our two outputs. So if we wanted to, we can use the USB quick charge to charge up, phones, tablets, or whatever device we have. And then this other, USB port is just a typical regular USB port that we can utilize to charge up devices. Then we also have a portable LED flashlight. And then right here inside this cover, we actually have our jump starter port. So this is where we need to put in the jump starter cable. As you guys can see, we just plug it into that, and that would actually supply these cables with the power needed to actually start up your car. So overall, it's a really rugged design. And right now, basically what I'm gonna do is actually move over to the testing and demonstration portion where we actually test out this jump starter. So before we actually move outside and test out this jump starter, I do want to show you guys a few different things before we actually do that. Full stop, what I want to show you guys is the power on. So when I power this on, what it looks like. So if you power it on, hold it down, you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's a faint little red light. Hopefully I can maybe zoom in a little bit, but you guys can see right now it's currently at 82%. But that light will tell you if the battery is drained or if you need to charge up this jump starter. The flashlight's on at the moment, but there's a few different modes you can actually switch and toggle this flashlight to. So if I click it again, you guys can see now it's kind of like a strobe kind of flash, so it's gonna flash ever so often. And this is something you could definitely utilize to get people's attention, especially when you need assistance. And then I'm pretty sure there's one more mode, and this one's a little bit more rapid, or is this the same mode? No, this is different. You guys can see it's a little more rapid. And I'm pretty sure that might be it. So you got standard flashlight on. We got a strobe kind of mode that kind of flickers on and off and then stops. And then we have one more mode that flashes basically 2 flashes every second. And then there is one more thing I want to test out and show you guys before we do go outside and test out this jump starter with a car. I want to show you guys that this is able to charge up devices. So I know that this USB-C cable that they included is for charging purposes, but since I just want to show you guys a quick little demo, I will use the cable that they supplied to show you guys it being able to charge up my phone. And what we're gonna do is actually plug this into the quick charge port, just like so. Now we're gonna take my phone, and if my phone powers up and says it's charging, that means this is able to charge it up. So let me plug it in. And it looks like this thing's actually off, so let me power back on. And you guys can see it's at 68% and it's currently charging up my phone. So it's doing a fantastic job of charging up my phone. And obviously, the longer I keep this charged in, plugged in, I should say, it would actually charge up my phone to 100%. All right, so we're gonna be testing out this FOXPEED portable jump starter with this vehicle. We have a Honda that we're gonna be testing this out on. And in order to actually get this jump starter working and perfectly ready to go, all we need to do is power it on. And you guys can see it's fully at 100%. I fully charged it up. And now we take our jump starter cable and we need to basically plug it into the jump starter. So technically with this jump starter, you do actually want to attach the cables onto the battery before you plug it into the jump starter. But if you do it this way too, it shouldn't be any issue unless if you quickly unplug this once you quickly jump start your car. So technically you are supposed to put this into the battery before you actually plug it into the jump starter. So we're going to attach the red cable. Oh, be careful there. I'm going to attach red. And now we attach the black part right here. Oh, disconnected again. Sometimes these cables can be very tricky to keep on to the battery because they're not too long. And now I'm going to power it on. There we go. So now it's currently charging up, and now I'm going to run to the car and quickly jump start it. And you guys can see now, this is currently charging up the car, and within like 10 to 15 seconds, you want to unplug it, just like that. Unplug the other one, just like that. And now you remove this. And now your car is really ready to go, is what I'm trying to say. And now you can easily go on your way and you don't have to worry about your battery being drained. So now this car is ready to go. I shouldn't have any issues. It was able to jump start my car really fast and it was really easy to use. So now I should be good to go with this car. So, one of my final opinions and remarks about this FOXPEED portable jump starter and portable battery. Well, overall, it did a fantastic job of charging up my phone and also did a good job of actually jump starting my car. So there's a lot of practical uses you can use this jump starter for. You know, you could charge up your different automotives, motorcycles, vehicles that you may have. Because sometimes, you know, the battery, for some reason, will just drain. You know, you may have that light inside your car on overnight, not knowing it's on, and that would drain the battery. Or maybe you left your car on. I don't know how you do something like that, but it's possible. And you need something to jumpstart your car so you can actually go back on the road. But with that being said, we are going to conclude this video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. And if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. And if you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate if you went down below and slam your body into the like section, as it just greatly informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. And if you're a business owner or a company wanting to work with me, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me on a future video, or if you're anybody who needs assistance with this product and doesn't want to, you know, leave a comment down below, you guys can send me an email and I'll be glad to help you out through email as well. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more information and details about how to use it, how to set it up, or if you're interested in actually purchasing this product information, details, and specifications will be down below in the description for those who are interested in just getting more information about this portable jump starter. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching and have a good rest of your day.